Hello, guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video where we make Amazon affiliate marketing easy and exciting. Today, we're all talking about something special, which is the top 5 niches on Amazon that can supercharge your affiliate success. So, the top 5 niches is very important. Now, you're maybe wondering why these niches? Well, it's simple. These are the hot spots, the areas where people are always looking for great. Wherever you are a pro or just starting a beginner, there this niches offers ton of opportunities. So stick around as we break down to the secret of affiliate success in these top 5 niches. Also, once you choose the niche, you have to search on the winning product for this niche. Also, you have to stay updated with the niche you choose. There is a lot of things you have to do, not just choose the niche and start working without any strategy or anything. So, what is these top 5 niches? You have health and wellness. Also, you have home and kitchen. You have beauty and personal care. You have fitness and technology. Now, once you click and search on Google just directly what is the top 5 niches on affiliate marketing, they will give you these niches. You have here technology, you have wealth building, you have health fitness, you have fashion, beauty, which is like self-care, whatever. You have a lot of things. You will find those top 5 niches that I give you on these. Also, once you go to Amazon affiliate, I created this account just to do a simple examples with you. You will find here these products are selling fast. All you need to do is tap on it and you will find those niches. First one you have here electronics technology. Here you have home kitchen, which is I told you before, and home and kitchen improvement. Here you have home improvement, some clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever. You have here again one of those 5 niches that I gave you, which is self or personal care. You have here some, I think it's homemade products and whatever. You will find those niches. So in every niche, associate Amazon associate help you to find the best selling products. If you opened an account as an affiliate marketing, he will give you the categories with the top 5 or the top um, product that are going selling fast, and you can choose from here. Or there is a lot of other websites that you can use to see what product are going to sell fast. And there is another method that I used, which is TikTok. You can click on TikTok, and for example, I want to go for home product, and now you will find here home product. And like you see here, there's a lot of home product videos. So like you see here, this one has a lot of views. Also, this one has million of views. I can click on it directly and I can see the product they are promoting. And all you need to do is make sure to check the comments if people are really liking the videos, like these, like what the product they are want, what the product they are searching for. Make sure that people are really interested in this product or they're just making fun of the product. Like you see here, TikTok will help you. Just TikTok, you can use just TikTok to find the product that you will promote. And you can just once you find the product, search for the name of the product, start searching for videos of that product on TikTok, download those videos without watermark, go to Pinterest. Also, if I go to Pinterest and search for home product, I will find a lot of home product. You will search here for home product, And like you see here, they promote a lot of home product. For example, I want this one. Like you see, it's also affiliate marketing. I can click on this Amazon link. It's also an affiliate marketing account, and you can also promote this product. Like you see here, they just found the videos. I bet they just found those videos on TikTok and on the you can just search for on TikTok on that video, on that product videos, and you will find this product videos on TikTok, and also download them without watermark. Also, you can search for pictures for this product, and you can edit those videos or pictures on Canva and start promoting them on your social media easy and quick. So, like I told you before, also you have to stay updated with the niche you choose. On home products, for example, you will find a lot of updates each time. So you have to stay updated. Also, if you want to post for this for your niche, you have to follow the trends. Once you edit the video, put some trending music, some hashtags, and lead traffic to the link that you used. And now I will show you how to get the link. All you need to do, so let's go to home product, for example. So for example, I want this. All you need to do is just click on the product you want. Now it's so easy on Amazon. You will find here this, which is get the link. And all you need to do is click on text. And you have here the full link. Here you have the short link. And just copy this link. Start promote the link on your Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, whatever, YouTube shorts, whatever you want. Just start promoting the product, and here you go. Hope this video, guys, was helpful for you. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and see you guys on the next video.